Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming fundamentals. Make sure your source device and Airpods firmware are up to date, and keep Bluetooth off until prompted. Next, inspect the buds and case. Look for debris or corrosion that can cause vibration or poor contact. Once done, pair the Airpods with a different phone or laptop to determine whether the vibration comes from the headphones or the original device. This quick split test saves time. It tells you whether to keep troubleshooting the Airpods themselves or the sending device. Now we clean and reset. Gently remove visible dirt from the mesh and charging contacts using a soft brush and a lightly moistened 70% isopropyl swab. Avoid soaking. After cleaning, perform a factory reset. Place both Airpods in the case, close for 30 seconds, open the lid, then hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Once reset, repair to your device, set volume around 50%, and toggle noise control or spatial audio to see if the vibration stops. Finish with diagnostics and a final solution. Listen for frequency-specific rattles. If vibration happens only on certain tones, the driver may be loose or the membrane damaged. Make sure not to prod internal parts. If you suspect hardware damage, contact Apple support or an authorized repair center for a driver replacement or warranty service. If damage is unlikely, test across apps and Bluetooth codecs and reduce interference by staying within close range. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.